or this is a tool that can help you to do the product development anyway. Okay. Okay. So we are this course we concentrate just only this one. But anyway, this robotic course we don't cover CAM and CARE for this one. If you really want, you have to enroll another class from ADME technique area. Okay. So to see what is meant by this process. This is something like I normally call IT tools for product development. Now, most of the business model and most of the business when they involved with the product developments, they normally have these type of tools for their development anyway. Okay. What is mean by this one? Let me show you. You see, after you have geometric models, you can send this model to CAM or to CARE for analysis or for manufacturing. Okay, for manufacturing for analysis. Okay, and these are two different anyway. Okay, for example, let's see if I have this one. Let's say if I design this one, CAD model, it's impossible for you to manufacture this one without computer control. Without computer, it's impossible. แบบไม่ได้เลยนะถ้าคุณดีไซน์รถยนต์เนี่ยถ้าคุณไม่มี CAD ไม่มีอะไรนะคุณดีไซน์เดี๋ยวปัจจุบันนี้เป็นไปไม่ได้ no way. Even robot, any modern machines, all start with the CAD. Okay, this is a CAD. Look at this one, it's like a surface, right? Surface model. They do have many machines that can help you to produce part. Okay, this is a CAD. Let's say if you are doing projects and you want to produce some part, you always think about 3D printer. 3D printer is not the way to solve the problem. No way. 3D printer is a part that cannot withstand load. คุณเป็นเปลือกได้ you can use it for enclosure เป็นเปลือกอะไรแต่ของจริงใช้งานจริงทำไม่ได้ it's not strong enough. Not strong enough. So let's say if you design some part of the robot part, whatever, with the design, you can send your design for the CAD to then now there is some manufacturer that accept CAD and can produce part for you by using, for example, CAD. That's it. Like I showed you last week, right? We do robot. But anyway, we do have manufacturing in our lab. See, they convert this one to this one. CAD will convert this one to this one. The yellow one is a toolpath ทางเดินของเส้นกับโปรแกรม Yeah, this one. After that, this toolpath is come off of CAD. And you can use this CAD to put into the CNC machine. And you have this one. We'll do this one. Right? For example, this one. Let's see. Let's say this is like a CNC machine. It's actually it looks like a robot, but it's not that the same meaning as a robot. It's a CNC machine, computer numerical machine, for example. This is our old machine. Now we have much newer machine. This one is the old one. We already get it out this one anyway, but it's a kind of the machine that you just set everything. You see, you have program. and you can send program to controller this one. Controller. And we have cutting tool here. Machine cutting tool. Okay. So for example, this one convert to this one. This yellow line, this is a toolpath, right? We'll convert this one to program. And this program upload to the controller, and the controller will control the cutting tools so that it moves the same way as the program. Right? For example, this one. See? This is a command. Cutting X, Y, Z controlled by this one. This is a PC. Send the data to the CNC controller. And CNC controller uses the code control this cutting tool. Right? This is consists of two modules. One is the CAM module. The other one is CNC machine. Right? If you have program, and you don't have CNC machine, it's useless. It's useless. So they have to have CNC machine to program, to use for cutting. Right? So this is the way, this is called milling machine. We do have milling machine, we do have turning machine, we have many types of machine. So that's why if I try to always mention that if you create this wrong or not correct, you get the wrong part. And your part is still unusable. Okay? That's why you need to be very careful to design your part. Okay? See? The CNC machine is like you see you have, this is a milling machine anyway. See? This is a milling machine. Right? See? This to control this cutting tool. See, cutting tools. And your program is coming like this. Your program is, you see program is come here. And this one is a NC, this one, nimble control. So you send X, Y, Z, and they control this one, X, Y, Z, okay? This interpret your program and what convert that into X, Y, Z, so that you control the two. You can control speed, you can control many things, they all cut, whatever, see? This is like a tools. There are many types of tools. There are many of them. Ball node, fat end mill, that you can choose anyway, depending on application, right? See? This one upload, this one cutting. Okay? So let me show you this one. For example, let's see. See, cutting tool here. Control everything controlled by computer, right? And your CAM software. You see, your CAM. This one will upload to this, and this will perform this one. See? I can have two changing as well. You see? Everything done automatic based on your CAM software. Toolpath, we call toolpath. Okay? So this is the way to do it, right? So CNC machine or robot. It look like this, but it's not the same as meaning of a robot. Anyway, you see this one is XYZ. This position control. This is more advanced control, more advanced, higher level control. Anyway, so you have motor, you have encoder, like similar to the robot. And you have joystick, you have the design, anything, joy in there. Okay, so when you do manufacturing, manufacturing, there are actually two main. One is direct cut. The other one is tooling. มีสองอย่าง Direct cut is the one that I just showed you, right? That direct cut, you cut part. The other type is tooling. Tooling ก็คือเครื่อง tool. For example, you create what? Mold and die. Some direct cut. See? Direct cut, actually there are two types as well. Material removal. The other one is material addition. Right? Material removal, the one that I just showed you. Material addition is something similar to 3D printer. You add it. Right? And the one, the 3D printer that you just see, you have experience, is very low level. Anyway. There are some high level material addition of 3D printer that can produce part that is usable, strong enough usable as well, but it's very expensive. The one that you saw in the main shop, that's another thing. That is for conceptual. Or it's for cover. It's not. You cannot use this load. But there are 3D printer that can produce strong part, metal part as well. Okay. The other type is mold tooling, mold and die. For example, let's see. You have this one. See, this is tools, right? This is something like a tool. This is for build telephone case, telephone cover. This one, case, right? This one. This is an injection mold, right? In this case, you spend a lot of money to build this one, But anyway, you can produce very fast. Right? For example, this one is thermoplastic material. Every 1 or 2 seconds, you got one part, one piece of them. Yeah. So it will produce very big lot. Normally this one, tooling. Something like this as well. See? Yeah. Injection. Look at this one. You see, you inject. You see, you have mold, right? Core and cavity. This one we call core. This one we call cavity. Right? Core and cavity. And you just inject material. See the way to inject something like this one. This one. Sorry. Let me show injection first. You inject this one. You see, inject material there, right? Let's see. You have this one. You inject this one. This is a cavity inside the mold, right? See? Inject, fill up the cavity. The mold is like this one, mold, right? This one. You see, you have see cone cavity. This one, right? You inject, and you have a cavity inside, and you get the part from cavity inside one. Right, this one. This is because tooling. This is expensive anyway. Okay. So when you inject something like this one, sorry, this one. See, this is for the big machine. Take part out. You see. Take part out. You see this one. Active side. Part will come out. So there are many tricks, or there are many ways to design good mold designs. Okay, so like this one, see, big one. See? This type of mold maybe cost you maybe 6 or 7 million baht for that type of mold. But we can produce very fast. Okay. So there are two types anyway. Okay. You see. So some of the part, let's see, if you have this type of part, I put some. Okay, I put some more workshop here. Let's see, for example, let's see, you build this one. You want to build this one. What? How does that mean? You want to build this one. Look at this one. They have some drop and go here. Drop and go here. What's the purpose of this one? If this one made by injection mold. If you have some drop, this one, it can take it out from the cavity very easy. If you have fat, this one, stop. Something like this. That's why you see you have some drop and go. Why? Due to many of these, to drop is very difficult to build. To model. Flat is easier, right? But for manufacturing, flat is not good in case. Okay? Why they have get rid of this one? Because they want to reduce weight. Otherwise weight is strong. See? If it costs you, let's say 1 baht per pieces more, you produce 1 million. It costs you 1 million baht. Right? That's why they make it to lighter. And don't forget they put some rib here, so make it more sticks, equivalent stick, right? This one, see? So look at this. This one is mainly designed for tooling, molding, not for machine cutting. And it's not for machine, material removal process. It's good for tooling. More design actually that one. So sometimes you have to, when you design something, you have to think about this. Okay. See, this is stamping. This is a stamping tool. You got die, right? You can replacing, right? Replacing. We do have another manufacturing as well, but maybe you see, if you building, you make a metal case. We call sheet metal work process. ทำจากเหล็กนะ sheet metal work process. I don't want to show you this. Okay. So. manufacturing is the production of goods through the use of labor, machinery, tool, and biological or chemical processing or formulation. Manufacturing can either mean transform raw material into finished good on a large scale or creation of more complex item by selling basic goods to manufacturing and for production and items such as automobile, aircraft, and household appliances. Okay? So just introduction to you, so that you will understand the ideas of why we need to concentrate more on the design. Actually, this 3D experience software, this here, this 3D experience, they call it 3D experience, this one. We do have CAD, we do have CAM as well, we do have CAD as well. We have all, but you study some of only this one. They do have a lot, plus many of them. Okay. Okay. So the start point of the product design is a CAD Hanger, and we are doing solid modeling, surface modeling, right? Both of them now. Okay. And in the very soon we're going to do assembly design. Right? Very soon. Okay? Okay. Now go back to here. Is there any question? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, when you start generative shape design, okay, normally you look at this one, you have part body, right? This one. You create this one, you have this sketch, right? If you set program as I recommend, when you do something like this, let's say you do extrude this one, you see? When you do extrude or any command of the surface is automatic, generate geometrical set automatic. If you set based on what I'm recommending. Otherwise, you have to set by yourself. by using this one as well. You can set this one also possible. This one. Geometrical set this one also possible. Okay, but anyway, you set based on I recommend you have this one. You have underscore here, underline here, right? Underscore this one. This means that now you are in geometrical set in this case. See, as I mentioned last week, right? You see, you have extrude this one. Let's see, extrude this one. Extrude this one. The direction will be not the default will be normal to the plane that you create. That curve, and the curve can be open. Look at this one. You see? You see? Sketch here. And geometrical, this is a surface. This is a surface feature. Surface feature, right? Put in geometrical set. Right? You can also create what? Sketch within this geometrical set. You can create sketch within this geometrical set. If you are here, right? Let's say if I want to create this one, I'm using this plane. Let's see. This one. See? See? Now, sketch here. อยู่ข้างล่างเลยนะไม่อยู่บนอยู่ข้างล่าง right okay so let's see okay let me create another profile this one see this one okay what the difference between this one and this one? The bottom one, if in geometrical set, is reusable. It's reusable. This one, if you use it for solid, if you already use it, it cannot be reused anyway. Okay? For example, let's say if sketch this one used for this, right? I want to go to part design, body define inverse object, right? Right? Now here, I can set back to part design, right? Now in part design, see? This one is this one, right? You cannot, in this case, you cannot, what? Use this one in solid because it's an open profile ใช่ไม่ได้ใช่ปะใช่ไหมนะ this one if you want to create anyway okay look at this one see as I mentioned last week see you create this one see if you make this one see this one in property right it can be used for solid because it's a core profile. And if we use it, it's not reusable anyway because it's already moved from outside to under package, right? Not reusable, right? That's why. See, but in this case, you see, if you are in geometrical set, let me go back to the part design. Go back to this one. You see, I can reduce this one. Let's see, I make this one. Let me make this one. I just revolve this one. Select this one, right? The direction in this one. See, make it turn it 60. Okay. We have this one. You see, already used, right? This one, but still can be used anyway, right? You can reuse it. You can reuse it. You see, look at this one. You want to reuse it, I I can extend this one. Extend this one. You see? There as well. See? See? That's what I mean by geometrical set. Okay? There's another. You can create more geometrical set if you want. Sometimes you create one geometrical set for one part, one portion. You can have another geometrical set as well. You can have more. Okay? Doesn't matter. But at the moment, just leave it's just one. Okay? Okay. Okay. That I would like to mention. You see, we do have a field command. Let me. You can delete if you want. You can delete this one. See, it's all gone. You see, and you can create more by geometrical set this one. Create geometrical set this one. If you did not put the name, they will use the default name. Geometrical set got true. See? Okay. You can have more if you want. Okay. Either set can be chosen anyway. The other one is order geometrical set. Don't use this. This one geometrical set order is not important. ลำดับไม่เกี่ยว order is not important. You see, for solid order is important, right? So if you use order geometrical set, this one, the order is important. It's something similar to solid, but you create surface instead. Okay? Okay. Okay. Let me. I delete this one. I can delete it anyway. I just keep it there. I can delete this one. Delete. Delete aggregate. It means that you want to delete this one as well or not. If you say yes, okay, it means that the sketch will be deleted as well. If you say no, uncheck this one, the sketch will be there, still there. Just delete only the feature, that's all. Okay? Okay. I can delete this one. Let me another one. You see, let's see if you have this one. You can have, if you have this profile and you want to fill in this one with surface. You want to fill in this surface, you can use this one. You see, now we are in sketch this one, right? You can fill in this one, select boundary this one. Okay, you have fill. See? Let's say sometime, see? Okay. Okay, that's a fill. If you have any boundary and you want to fill, you can use this. I show you multi-section already revolves about the same. Only the profile can be open, right? And this one blending. What is it mean by blending? Let's see. Let me draw another one. Okay, this one. Let me get this one. Okay, let me draw another one. You see, I can fill this one. let's see, you can hide sketch if you want, sketch can be hide. This one also, if you want to hide, so possible. Right? If you want to modify this one, you see, if you want to modify this one, so modify this one, you can modify this one. Okay, also possible. Come back this one. Okay. Let's say if I want to create a surface that connect these two surfaces with many characteristics anyway, surface characteristics. Let's say I want to connect these two surfaces. There's a command here of blend, right? Blend, B-L-E-N-D, blend, this one. See, first curve, right? Curve, I want to, this one, first curve. Second curve, I want to connect between this one, right? This one. Okay. This one also fill. Yeah, support. You look at this one. Let me do again. Okay, first curve and up. They argue for another one. Let's see. I want this one. Here. See, look at this one. This one. Okay, do again. Again, you did in that. Asking for first curve, when I select this one, get A, this one, right? I want to select this one, A, this one, right? This one. See, direction go this one. See, it means the same direction. You have what it mean by support. Support is mean like you want to connect these two surfaces, right? The support, the first one should be this one. The second support should be this one. Okay? So direction go to this way, right? And you have these four basic, this one, you see? You have tangency, the type, point, tangent, see continuity, and curvature continuity, right? Let's say if I say tangent, you can preview this one. This is a tangent. It means that this curve is tangent, right? This surface and this surface is tangent this one and this one also tangent this one, right? If you change this one, the first continuity, if you change to point, the first one, change to point, you can preview this one. This one, you see this tangent, and this is point continuity, right? No continuity, right? Just point continuity, right? And this, you change this one to point continuity as well, and this one, right? Connect this with these two. The other one is curvature continuity. Curvature continuity, and this one. It should look like what? Similar to a tangent, right? Let me see continuity. Continue. Right? Yeah. Point continuity, tangent continuity, and curvature continuity, right? There are three. Normally, for a technical term, is G0, G1, and G2. Normally, this is the word that they normally use: G0 continuity, G1 continuity, G2 continuity. What does it mean by that? Tangent, you know, point is just point continuity, right? Tangent is tangent, right? This one, tangent this curve, and this curve is tangent, right? This one, and this one tangent, right? It's like a fillet. Fillet is a tangent continuity. The other one, curvature. What is mean by curvature? Rho equal to 1 over r. You see, you have this one, you have r, right? This r radius, right? If it means that if you want curvature community, it means r is very smooth anyway. The r convert this one to this one is very smooth. Very smooth. The surface much more smoother. You can, because r is radius of curve, right? Radius of curve. Rho is curvature, right? Curvature is equal to 1 over r. Either one can be displayed anyway. It's equal. Sometimes we normally use rho, curvature community. It means that the surface, this one is much smoother than tangent. Much smoother than tangent. Look at this one, see? Look at this one, see? If I change this one to tangent community, the first one, and do this one, you see? Look at, you see? So sometimes you want very good quality of the surface, connecting surface, we normally use curvature community. Okay? This one. I can do another one. Blend. Okay. Blend. This one, this curve, this one, this curve, like this, and I use tangent, use tangent, you see, you have two different ones. This is tangent, this is curvature, it's more smooth at the connecting points. Okay. Okay. See, you see, okay. See, if you are using geometrical quotient in this one, all the scale can be reducible anyway. Okay, I will show you projection, right? I already show you the split and trims, right? Offset, extrapolate as well, right? Extrapolate. Okay, and okay, that's most of this one. Okay, is there any question? We have also more surface command here. I will show you more on speed in the future. Okay, you will have projection as well. You see, you have this one. Projection, intersection. Okay, let me this one. Let me create it. Okay. Let me create intersection between this plane and this surface. This plane and this surface, okay? How can we do this one? It's a section, right? This one is a section. First elements, anyone can be first. Second will be this one, right? Okay? Apply. You see, we have intersection, right? You look at this one. Okay? Intersection, right? You can rotate this one, then this one, and go, right? Rotation axis, let me put Y, let's see. Let me illustrate this this one. Rotation, angle rotation, this one, right? Angle rotation, this one. X-axis, sorry. How many angle? Let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, I have this one. See, I want to offset this one. Offset this one to this. Okay. In this case, you can also make intersection. Say, right? I mean, intersection also possible. Intersection this one. This plane and this plane also. Okay, that is intersection. Okay. Any entity, any element can do intersection. Okay. If you have point, look at this one, point. Point is, this one is a 3D point. Right? Let's say you have point there, here, point. You want to create point, 3D point, right? There are many ways to create this one. On curve or coordinate. If you know coordinate. On plane, on surface, on circular, center, tangent anyway. Then we on curve. Okay, you can get this, you can choose this curve. Ratio, distance from curve, let's say 0, distance from curve, this one. Or you can use 50, ratio of curve 0.5. Okay, so you have this point, right? You see? Actually, you can extend this point. คุณสามารถ extend point นี้ได้เป็นเส้นตรงได้ I want to extend this point, extend this point, profile, then choose point, right? And direction, normal to this curve. Okay, you see, we have this one. Okay, also possible. You see this one. See. I would like to create intersection. Let me delete this one first. Let me create intersection between this line and this line. Intersection. First entity, this one, and this. See? Okay, apply. See, there is no solution. No solution in this case. Right. This one. If I move this one, this one. Let me make this one a little bigger. Okay. Now I want to try intersection one more time. Okay. The intersection, this one, intersection. Maybe you have to extend this one. That's okay. Intersection, this one, this point and this. Okay. Apply. Maybe you have to extend this one. Maybe you have to extend this one. Let's see. You want to find a point there. Intersection. This point and this surface. Okay. Then you have a point there. You see. Okay? Yeah. Okay. That's what I would like to say something. Okay. Next, there is a workshop here. Last week I showed you this one, right? This one. So we already create. So I hope. The other one is this one. How to create this one? CAD Hanger. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this one. See, you have this one. First of all, look at this one, how to create this one. This is from top view. You see? If you say top view, then this is one, top view, right? This is a front view, this one, and this one, okay? And this is a cross section here. You see, this cross section is this one. This one. This is at this location. AA. Cross section AA, right? See, we have this one. So if you have this 3 degree, right? The other is 2 degree, right? First of all, you have this one, you need to create this one. You need to create this one, see? First of all, you need to create this one, right? You need to create this one. This profile is this one, you see? This profile is this one. Once you finish this, we just create just only half. The other half you can use with you create this one, this profile first, right? And you have this point, right? You have this point. Once you finish, you have this point. You create plane parallel to this one through this point. This plane is used to create these two profiles. See, this plane is a plane over there, over here, right? Right, and used to create these two profiles. Right, this profile. Look at this one. This one is this. The other one is this one. Right, these two profiles. You have this one, right? And this one, right? To provide this one on this plane. And also, you look at this one, you need to create this line, 3 degree line. This line. Okay? The center of rotation is this one. Center of rotation is this one. Okay? Look at this one. Look at this. You have this plane, right? Look at this one. let me do this one for you. See? Yeah, this one. The angle of the patient, this one, is based on this one. This location, 3 degree, this one. Right? This 3 degree, this 2 degree, right? And passing to this point. See? 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 Right? You can do projection anywhere. It's more. See? This one. Okay? So you need to create this profile first. This one, this, and this. Right? That's all. Right? When you finish this one, you can actually use extrude. First of all, this one use extrude. You have this one. From this profile, extrude, you have this one. Right? From this profile and this curve, we can what? Sweep this one. See? See? Similar to the other one, the back one. This one. See? With this line, you have this one. See? Yeah. Okay. This one. This surface, similar this one and this back. This one extrude, this sweep, extrude. Right? Once you finish this one, you can do trim. You can do trim. Right? You can have this one. And trim, right? And you can trim again as well. This one. You can trim again. This one. See? You have this one. And you can do fillet. You can do fillet anyway. See? See? You can do fillet on the and you can do symmetry. This one. Okay. And you can join them together. Join both of them together. And this one you can go back to what? Solid modeling, right? And you can do closed surface. Okay, you have this one. And hide this one. See? And this one can be created by using grip command. And you just draw this one, sketch this one, circle this one as well. See? See? That's all. So the start point will be very important. You should create this one first. And you need this point to get plane. This plane parallel to this plane. That's all. Okay? ลองดูนี่ทดสอบ test your patient your planning as well